Good morning, friends. I go by Jay at Texas Gardening Gal. Welcome to my channel. It is day 2 of Vlogsmas. So we do have a busy day ahead of me that does not entail gardening, but we can still talk about it. Since it is around the holidays, I went to Starbucks last night and I did buy some new coffee. I've never tried it before. I've just always done the Dunkin' Donuts. So this is something a little new. We'll give it a try. See how I like it. Take my glasses off because you guys are getting the glare. So garden talk. Remember my cherry tomatoes? So I took them all off the vines. I had one cherry tomato plant that just went crazy, got huge. And it got all these tomatoes that refused to turn, other than green. I had green tomatoes, all these green tomatoes. So I don't know if you can see it there. Oh, focus. I did leave some of the vine. I don't know why. And there's even a couple little tomatoes on there yet. I'm thinking like, I don't know, maybe it'll grow back or something. I've never grown cherry tomatoes before, so something a little new for me, but I'll leave the vine and see what happens. But here they are. Finally, this one's turning a little bit, and so is this one. I don't know if they're going to be any good, but you know, gotta try. So there's the cherry tomatoes. And then a few days ago, I went ahead and planted some seeds. There's carrots in here, lettuce in here. Still nothing, but it's too early. And I went to HEB just recently and I bought this beautiful pampas grass. See that there? And my plans for this are to actually put it over there in a large terracotta pot when I can finally build some raised beds this way and this way. But if you've been following me, I'm waiting for the cable company to lay the fiber optic before I do any beds, because I want them to be able to have access to whatever they need to have access to over here, because the cable ordeal is behind the shed. So gosh, and it's perfect time to do what I wanted to do, but I need to hold off for now until they're finished with their work, and then we can start our beds over here, and I'm really excited about that. Rose bushes are doing real good. Look at that. Look at how big that is. That's so big and beautiful. And we got some new buds. This is my most recent rose bush. And we had a lot of rain, like, was it 2 days ago? And so my ground is like really saturated, so I don't want to get too far in it or my shoes are gonna get all icky. But just kind of a little follow-up as to how the broccoli that I've planted over here is doing. It's, you know, doing better. God, look at this. Look at the size of this. It's just huge. And I think we're finally maybe gonna get some broccoli at some point. And the blackberry plant that I planted in this basket's doing pretty good. Nice leaves on it. Cute. This one, remember I got this one in clearance too. I think this is a raspberry. Yeah, this is a raspberry bush. My basil, I don't know. We need to kind of trim that down. I don't know what happened there. And then over there, remember we had green beans. I did pull what was left of them. And we're gonna drop some more seeds here soon. As you know, like I said, the ground needs to kind of dry up, because look at, it's really wet from all that rain. So once that does, I'll get out there and I'll put some fresh soil down and some new seeds. I don't know what I'm gonna plant. I might just plant some more beans because they were really good. And then look at my cabbage. Look at how the leaves are starting to kind of fold up more, so that's a good sign. Something happened to that one over there, and I really think it was my son's basketball because it knocked some leaves off. Oh guys, look at my zucchini. Like, I am so hoping for zucchini to come out of this because I've been trying for a year and a half to get zucchini and I've had absolutely no luck. And I really want to make some zucchini bread. And this mum I got in clearance, and look at the different purples on the flowers. Aren't those pretty? So that is it for today. I have some basketball games I need to go to now, but we'll continue on with our garden videos, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. But I'll see you tomorrow because tomorrow's day 3. So hope you hit that follow or subscribe button and like. Bye.